What technologies are shaping the future of healthcare as a result of consumer demand? At our NG Healthcare Summit, Gianrico Farrugia, CEO at Mayo Clinic, stressed why it's important for healthcare providers to understand the changes that consumers are driving in relation to healthcare delivery.
Consumers are driving really global changes that are redefining how we produce, how we distribute, and how we consume all goods and services. And clearly, healthcare is a massive part of that. We therefore must understand, we must prepare, and I think as a group we have to make sure that we help lead this change so that it's us that are changing the way healthcare is experienced and delivered. If you look at where we are at the moment, one can make the argument that we're, using a term that has been used more recently, entering the fourth industrial revolution. It's a revolution that is really characterized by a blurring of the lines between digital and physical. What we're doing is we're applying big data, we're applying connectivity, we're applying enhanced computing power to every sector, including healthcare. So if you look at our future, you're looking at our future that is shaped by the interoperability of some really diverse systems, something we could never do before. It's made possible, of course, by the Internet of Things that you're all familiar with. We're seeing much more of a decentralization than we thought we would see, and that's because as machines, other products get to work fairly autonomously, centralization is not as important as it used to be. We're seeing real-time capabilities to collect, analyze, but now also apply data, virtualization in healthcare to test products and procedures, and lastly, Internet of Services, which is rapidly moving from being something for us. We always thought of it as it belonged to us, but it's really now the Internet of Services in healthcare is being increasingly used by machines. And so these 5 things are what makes this a true fourth industrial revolution.
Interested in the intersection between technology and healthcare? Join the conversation at our next NG Healthcare Summit.